Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. Now, I'm starting a series on alternative tools you can use in place of some traditional Linux commands. Now, as a disclaimer, these tools or commands do not fully replace the widely used traditional Linux commands. Rather, they enhance user experience and make your experience much fun. So, in this video, I'll start off with the bat command. Now, bat command is a command line tool that is written in Rust programming language, and it's a perfect alternative to the cat command. Now, bat command provides useful features such as syntax highlighting, line numbering, smooth scrolling, or automatic paging, and this allows you to smoothly scroll through large files. And what it does is that it pipes the output to less, like the way you can use cat with the less option, and also it provides Git integration. All right, so now with that preview, you can head over to the GitHub page for the bat cat command, and here we are. All right, so as you can see, bat is a clone for cat command with syntax highlighting and Git integration, so you can skim through the features. Okay, and also you can go over through the installation of the bat command on various Linux distributions. For example, here you can see Ubuntu. Okay, you can see Alpine Linux, Arch Linux, Fedora, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now let's install bat command and see how you can use it and see how it compares with the cat command. So now, as you can see, I'm running Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so to install bat command, the first step is to update the local package index, and I'm going to do that by running the command sudo apt update and hit enter. Okay, so here I'm going to provide my password, and then I'm gonna hit enter to authenticate. Okay, so this updates the local cache. All right, now once you've done that, install bat command by running the command sudo apt install bat, like that, and hit enter. So this is going to install bat alongside other packages and dependencies. Okay, so to proceed, just type Y and hit enter. So this is going to install bat on your system. Okay, so in case you're running a different Linux distribution, you can head over to the GitHub page and check out the installation instructions. Okay, so we are done. All right, so I'm gonna clear the screen. Now, one thing you need to know is that if you install bat in this manner, the executable may be installed as batcat instead of bat. Okay, so I'm going to verify this by running the command which batcat. So the command itself will be batcat instead of bat. All right, so I'm going to check the path of the installation, so I'm going to hit enter. So you can see this is the path of the binary executable. All right, so if you run which bat, you're going to find nil or null output. Okay, so the command to be used is batcat. All right, okay, so now we have batcat installed. Now let's check out how batcat compares with cat command. Okay, so now for example, I'm going to take an example of viewing the bash rc file in your home directory. So this will be the command with cat. So I'm going to view the file, as you can see here. Okay, so as you can see with cat, this is what you have. All right, so this is just a normal way of viewing a file. All right, now let's check out how this compares with the batcat command. So I'm going to clear this and I'm going to run batcat, then the name of the file, which is bash rc, and I'm gonna hit enter. So as you can see, this provides a much better output. Okay, so as you can see, you also get line numbering and also syntax highlighting. And another feature we pointed out is automatic paging or smooth scrolling for large files. So as you can see, this allows you to smoothly scroll by typing, or rather by pressing the cursor down key. Okay, so as you can see, we are able to smoothly scroll up or down. All right, so that's one feature that you don't get with the cat command without any command line option. But the bat command allows you to smoothly scroll if you're viewing large files. Okay, so as you can see, this is quite a better option or alternative to the cat command. Now to quit, just press Q on the keyboard. All right, now I also have a Python file which is actually a Discord bot. Okay, now let's preview this using the cat command. So I'm going to say cat, then bot.py, hit enter. So as you can see, in this case, this is just a plain text file. All right, but now let me try and use batcat to view this Python file, and you'll see some remarkable difference. So I'm going to say batcat, then bot.py, and there you go. So as you can see, we get wonderful output starting off with the name of the file. You get some syntax highlighting, showing you the different parts of the code. All right, and yeah, this is it. So as you can see, this is quite a better format than what we have here above. All right, so as you can see, a bat command is an inline replacement or a perfect alternative to the cat command, and you can make good use of it to enhance your user experience. Okay, so that's it for this lecture, and before I go, let me also mention that it also allows you to perform other cat command operations. Okay, so for example, you can view multiple files at a go. So for example, I can say batcat, then I can view bot.py. I can also view a different file. Also, let's say for example the SSH file. So for example, I want to view the SSH configuration file, so sshd, like that. So I can view multiple files at a go. So if I hit enter, okay, so this previews the first file. Okay, then it goes ahead and also previews the second file, which is the SSH configuration file. Okay, so that's it. All right, so that's it for this lecture, guys. And in this lecture, we started off viewing or exploring the batcat command, and we have seen that it's a much improved command line tool compared to the cat command. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to look at yet another tool. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.